My name is Neus Morro. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Mytra Control in Spain. I think we started using WinCC OA 10 years ago. I think the first version we used was, that I remember, 3.13. It was our first one that I remember. The main goal of the project is to obtain all the information about the assets at the field of the old installation, but also the important engineering data, as the orders that comes through the control center to those installations. The most challenging thing was to integrate the information of all the third parties that our customer wanted to have in their facilities. And they wanted to let the operator to have this information in just one user interface. WinCC OA helped us in different ways because it was useful in order to obtain the data since the field, because of the drivers and the control managers that we could use, and also to integrate all of this information that we were collecting from different third-party tools in just one screen, to let the operator have all this information together. At this project, we are managing at this moment nearly 400 installations, and at each installation I think we have more or less 10,000 IOs at each installation that are giving us information. But we have managed many other projects with WinCC OA also, and I remember one several years ago where we were managing nearly 1 million tags in just one project in a logistics surface. Because of the sector, this project had to be redundant. So we have a redundant but a distributed project also, because we have different installations and we have 2 control centers because of the critical of the water sector. For this project, we use the S7 driver as OPC driver as well, but we had the opportunity to create with the drivers, with the manager, an API in order to communicate with the third-party tools also. The most important thing for us, it was the ability to treat a huge amount of data in real time from the different installations, and to have the possibility to know that we are not going to lose any data if any damage on the network could occur. What I most like in WinCC OA, it's the flexibility that it offers to our developers, because at any question or any issue a customer can challenge us, we can always have a solution, an optimal solution. Even we can develop it, or maybe sometimes WinCC OA have already done it. But for us, it's I think the most important thing. We have been working with WinCC OA since many years. We have grown up with as developers with the product as well. I'm pretty happy because anytime we have had an issue or something like that related with a problem with a final customer, in order to find a good solution, we know we can keep in touch always with the customer support service, and we always have a good answer.